Now, there is a lot to be said about today's real estate market. Home prices have risen, there's a lack of inventory, and mortgage rates remain high. So as a buyer, how do you determine your buying power? Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker, owner, and founder of Real Connect Realty. Home shoppers often ask me, what should I do in today's market? Should I wait to buy to see if rates come down and inventory increases, or take advantage of the market despite higher mortgage rates? My answer is, if you can financially take advantage of this market, then yes, you should buy now, and here's why. In today's market, buyers have all the leverage to negotiate with sellers. Most homes on the market today are sellers who need to sell. They're not just looking to see what price they can get on their home. This means they may be more willing to offer more concessions like closing cost credits, rate buy downs, or repair costs. More importantly, sellers are no longer asking buyers to remove all their contingencies with an offer like we have seen these last couple of years, like, selling your firstborn and your left kidney. Combining all of these things gives the buyers more power and leverage to purchase a home, and can outweigh the costs of high mortgage rates. In fact, right now, with creative financing options, it can actually be more affordable to purchase a home than it has been in the past few years. Also, after purchasing, buyers can always look into refinancing when rates eventually come down. Of course, it's best to consult your trusted real estate agent to discuss what is happening in your local market area. Please feel free to reach out to me and my team with any questions. My name is Allison Moreau, broker, owner, and founder of Real Connect Realty, where we are all about creating seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you. Stay connected.